On our last trip to the laboratory, we make a project in which consists on measuring pH, electric conductivity, and dissolved oxygen of these following solutions and mixtures: distilled water, tap water, salt water, vinegar, and filtered water, in which we realize that each one of them have a different result according of what we measure. In the lab, we have the opportunity to measure pH with multiple steps, in which we use several elements based on what we understand and learn in class. Starting from that, we had to use several tools to check the pH, dissolved oxygen, and electric conductivity on different substances. Also, we measure electric conductivity with a special instrument as well, with the dissolved oxygen and pH. Also, we think it will have some different results, but we assimilate that it doesn't. And we make this experiment because we want to know if the water we drink is potable or not. For example, if the water we drink has too much pH, it wouldn't be potable because it will have too much acid or too much basic.
To measure each of the solutions, we used a machine according to what was going to be measured: pH, electric conductivity, and dissolved oxygen. For measure the pH, we use some paper strips, which we insert into the different solutions. Once taken out, we wait a few seconds until we saw which hue gave according to its color was the result. For pH meter, we used a pH measure machine, and for measuring it, we made circular movements until it gave an exact number. The same for electric conductivity and dissolved oxygen. But for electric conductivity, we used a conductivity proof, and for dissolved oxygen, we used a dissolved oxygen meter. According to the graph, when comparing it, we realize that the results of all groups are between 4 and 9. As far as the pH strips of pH meter, the results gave between 100 and 4,000. Finally, dissolved oxygen were between 4.0 to 8.0. In general, the results of most groups are similar, except for Isabella's and Laura's group, because they have higher or lower results than the groups. In other part, when talking about what kind of solutions are considered